God, are you 5? I swear to God.
Yes. Oh, got a crackers. Carrot sandwich.
Look, this is what I have to live with. Is that delicious?
Delicious.
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 What's
Say
the,
beautiful.
Buffalo. Buffalo.
what's the name of your sandwich? Do you have a name for it? Yeah. It's a what sandwich?
Sorry, I can never get a good picture of her. Every time she looks away or closes her eyes.
Well, you know, the camera doesn't take the first, what you see, it takes the next, like the next.
So check out what your granddaughter just did. It's a hummus, carrot, and cracker sandwich.
Yes, I see. Is it good, Maury? You like it?
Oh no, she's adding the accoutrement.
Do you like it, Maury? Is it delicious?
Mm-hmm.
It is? Are you going to eat it?
Will you let Nana take a picture of me and you by the Christmas tree? Yeah? Okay. We'll have to